Oh, why'd you do that? You just destroyed our GPS meter again.
I didn't actually think it was gonna pop a wheel.
And ZD Racing, you've done a very good job. I really like the way this RC looks. The attention to detail on this is just a step up from anything that I have seen them do, and compared to a lot of RC people on the market, you gotta admit the detail here is great. Take a look at that little hose. This is like fuel line for RC airplanes, okay? But it's just here to look like extra scale detail for these shocks. It's so awesome. You even have the little oxygen fuel line running into their helmets, little fire extinguishers mounted on both sides. That fuel line is back here too. Look at the exhaust. It runs along both sides of this vehicle. And then we have an actual functioning light bar up here, headlights down here on the front bumper. I just really like the way this RC looks. So for that alone, I'm excited. But in this video, we're gonna do a speed test. We're gonna see how fast this goes. I really have no idea what to expect. Who doesn't like to look and see what kind of power we have running under here? I love that it hinges up like that. We can see that the lights are run very nicely, nice and clean, light job. That's for the light bar. And it looks like actually we have something running into the rear. Yeah, we have a rear light bar too. I just noticed that. Very cool. Aluminum chassis, I should point that out. And then we have some aluminum in here where we need it, like the
shock tower.
Shock tower, thanks Abby. We have a nice brushless motor setup. I think they actually sell a brushed version too. There's our ESC and receiver. They are separate, which is nice. On-off switch. Some people call this a T-plug. I call it Dean's. And then our battery tray is over on this side. I just really like this. This is such a cool looking RC. I don't care if this sets any speed records today, and I actually don't expect it to, but I do want to know how fast is it. And then if you guys want us to, I guess we'll take it to Bash Mountain after we do a speed test. So let's power it on and see how fast this is right out of the box, completely ready to run with the stock included battery charged on the included charger. Let's go. So I feel like I should have done the intro with the lights on, because check that out. That's so bright. That's such a bright light. Sadly. Oh, ZD Racing, come on.
Not surprised.
Oh, and then look at the rear light. They are super bright. They look good. So let's run it. That fan is ready to rock and roll. I want to see how fast this is. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's going to be quick. Big fat zero. And some of you guys may notice the camber and toe of this RC is not perfectly aligned. Sometimes they do that on purpose. So let's see how it runs. And then Abby noticed the center lights are actually yellow right in the middle.
I don't think you can tell though on the camera, but the two center ones are yellow.
That's pretty cool.
Yellowy orange. Okay, go.
Oh, it's quick. That's pretty fast. So bummed out about that headlight. Come on, ZD Racing. Here we go. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. This is like an off-road dune buggy basher, so keep that in mind. I just love the way it looks. Here we go, full throttle. That's not horrible. Man, I think this is just a looker, maybe more than a performer, but that's what we're here to do and show you guys. Let's see how fast it went on that double speed run pass.
Oh, nope, not 52.
Ah!
25. Had to come in at the right angle, you guys. Not this number. It's this number. 25 miles an hour.
Do you want to see if you can beat me?
I doubt I can. And it's ZD Racing, which, you know, we all know how I feel about ZD Racing.
ZD Racing, you don't like ZD Racing, so they don't like you. But I like ZD Racing.
Watch, the wheel's probably gonna fall off.
They do sometimes for you. So you guys may notice that, oh yeah, it's got some, oh man, that front tire, if you,
It looks like it's gonna fall off.
Yeah.
I think you should have tightened it.
It's tight.
You should know by now.
No, it's snug. Some of you guys may have noticed I'm in shorts and a t-shirt. You can probably see Abby's in jeans and a hoodie type fuzzy thing. That's,
I'm smart.
It's cold out, guys. It's really cold. Woo! It feels fast when you're close. Let's see. Let's see. You got 25.
Oh no.
25 miles an hour. Oh! Why'd you do that? You just destroyed our GPS meter again.
I didn't actually think it was gonna pop a wheelie.
And what's the rule that you always tell me? Don't break your RC, don't scratch them up. You
Payback.
My new,
Payback.
my brand new, look at that. Oh!
Oh,
So it
payback.
can pop a wheelie. Let's see if I can.
I know, I didn't expect it. I don't know how it does that.
Like that.
Whoa!
So it's got some serious torque, but it doesn't have a lot on the high end. So I think this is going to be a good basher.
Wheelie, wheelie.
It's not even like, there's no wheelie bar. It just can pop wheelies.
That's fun.
One more. Just gotta have a little control over it. So if you guys want to see this bash, there, I was doing another wheelie on Bash Mountain, hit subscribe, smash the notification bell. Be sure to tune in. Probably within a week or so, we'll take this to Bash Mountain. I have a feeling if something's gonna break at Bash Mountain, it's probably gonna be this. I don't want it to because I love the way it looks, but we got to get out and have some fun today, do a quick, very quick little speed test, mainly because I'm so cold. And so for that, I want to thank, not because I'm cold, but for just having fun today. I want to thank the big guy upstairs. Thank you, God. Also, a massive thanks to our Patreon supporters, because some people might get this and say, hey, it's perfect. Clearly it's not. You know, we're going to show you when it has any issues, but I actually like ZD Racing. I really do. I've always rooted for him. It's good to have more than just Arma and Traxxas. Although I love Arma. I guess we got Losi and Axial. I don't know, maybe we don't need ZD Racing, but I like ZD Racing. I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. Have you ever bought a ZD Racing? And if you have, did you love it or hate it? Because Abby and I have this very love-hate thing.
It's a household divided for sure.
Always with ZD Racing. I like to keep them. She says the shelf space is too valuable. We could put something else there, Nathan, if we sold those ZD Racing. I said, I love ZD Racing, especially this one. So for all that like transparency and just having so much fun in the hobby and just letting us say what we want to say on our channel while keeping it family friendly, thank you to our Patreon supporters. That was the biggest Patreon supporter thanks we've ever given. Thank you guys so much. And we have had a couple new Patreon supporters sign up recently. I just want to say a special thanks to our new Patreon supporters and all of our old ones too. Guys, we'll have a cool, awesome, one of my favorite ZD Racing RC car videos popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.